Humans have always been fascinated by the idea of creating artificial beings. These beings, often imagined as stronger and more efficient than ourselves, capture our imaginations. We dream of building helpers, companions, and even replacements for ourselves. This desire, spanning centuries and cultures, has fueled countless stories, myths, and legends. It is a testament to our endless fascination with the potential of artificial life. The concept of robots, machines designed to mimic human actions, is particularly compelling. Robots represent the pinnacle of our technological aspirations. They embody our desire to create something in our own image, something capable of performing tasks and even thinking like us. This fascination has driven innovation in fields like engineering, computer science, and artificial intelligence. The quest to build ever more sophisticated robots continues to push the boundaries of what is possible. The earliest concepts of robots can be traced back to ancient myths and folklore. One notable example is the golem of Jewish folklore. This creature, made from clay and brought to life through mystical rituals, embodies the human desire to create artificial servants. Similarly, Greek mythology features Talos, a giant bronze automaton tasked with protecting the island of Crete. These tales, though fantastical, reflect a long-standing human desire for artificial helpers and protectors. As technology advanced, so too did our visions of artificial beings. During the Renaissance, inventors began designing and building intricate mechanical devices. Leonardo da Vinci's notebooks, for example, contain detailed sketches of a mechanical knight. This automaton, conceived in the late 15th century, showcases the growing sophistication of engineering during this period. Though never built, da Vinci's mechanical knight foreshadowed the potential for creating complex, human-like machines. These early designs, often blending artistry and engineering, laid the groundwork for the development of robots as we know them today. The word robot itself is a relatively recent addition to our vocabulary. It was first coined in 1920 by Czech writer Karel Čapek in his play Ruar, Rossum's Universal Robots. The play tells the story of a factory that produces artificial workers called roboti, a word derived from the Czech term robota, meaning forced labor or drudgery. Čapek's play explored the ethical and societal implications of creating artificial beings for labor. RUR was a critical and commercial success, introducing the world to the term robot and sparking widespread discussion about the potential benefits and dangers of artificial intelligence. The play's themes of worker exploitation, technological unemployment, and the very nature of humanity resonated deeply with audiences. RUR remains a seminal work in both science fiction and robotics, highlighting the enduring power of this concept to capture our imaginations and provoke important ethical questions. The transition from robots as fictional concepts to functional machines began in the mid-20th century. The advent of computers and advances in automation led to the development of the first industrial robots. These early robots, often large and stationary, were primarily used in manufacturing settings for tasks deemed too dangerous or repetitive for humans. The Unimate, developed in the 1950s, was one such example. This groundbreaking machine, hailed as the first industrial robot, revolutionized automotive assembly lines. From these humble beginnings, the field of robotics has exploded. Today, robots are used in a wide range of industries, from manufacturing and healthcare to exploration and disaster response. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated robots emerge, capable of performing increasingly complex tasks. The future of robotics holds immense potential, promising to reshape our world in ways we are only beginning to imagine.